Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can install Waka TV on your PC or laptop. So for that, you have to follow all these steps. So first of all, install Android emulator. Download and install an Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player on your laptop or PC. So by using Android emulator, you will install your Waka TV app on your laptop or PC. So after installing this, line the emulator, open the emulator and complete the initial setup. Then open Google Play Store. Sign in with your Google account inside the emulator. So once you install emulator and open it, you have to sign in within your emulator. So after signing in, just search for Waka TV within your emulator Play Store. When you search it, you will get an Waka TV app in front of you. For just simply install the app by clicking on Install button. So after installing, just open Waka TV. So when you open in, sign in or start watching. So by signing in, if you have credentials, then you can log in your Waka TV via entering your credentials. So after it's just signing in, you can watch and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.